Welcome to this tutorial on creating a gradient snack bar in Jetpack Compose. This snack bar features a stunning gradient background, smooth fade-in and scale animations, and a responsive design that works on any screen size. It's a reusable component perfect for short notifications like confirming an action or displaying a quick message. Let's break down the core structure of our gradient snack bar. This composable function takes parameters like a message, an optional action label, and a duration, defaulting to 3 seconds. At its heart is a card, set to 90% of the screen width for responsiveness, with rounded corners for a sleek look. Inside, a row arranges an info icon, the message text, and an optional action button. The gradient background, green in this case, is applied using brush linear gradient, making it visually pop. This simple layout is the foundation we'll build on. To make the snack bar pop, we add animations. The animate fade and scale snack bar function creates a fade-in effect with a 250 millisecond duration and a scale-up effect over 200 milliseconds, both using a fast-out slow and easing for a natural feel. These values are applied to the card's alpha and scale modifiers, so the snack bar smoothly appears on screen. For consistent styling, we use a snack bar constants object. This defines values like 8 dp padding, a 12 dp corner radius, and a 14 sp font size for the message. These constants keep the design uniform and make it easy to tweak the look across your app. It's a small but powerful way to maintain clean code. Define the gradient snack bar composable and its parameters set up the function with customizable inputs like message, action label, on action, duration, and modifier. Step 2. Set up the card container with styling and animations. Create the card, apply width, height, animations, fade and scale, padding, shape, and elevation. Step 3. Build the row layout with gradient background and content. Add the gradient background, icon, message text, and optional action button within a row layout. Step 4. Implement fade and scale animations. Define the animate fade and scale snack bar function to handle smooth fade in and scale up effects. Step 5. Define styling constants and demo composable group all constants in snack bar constants and create a demo to show usage with a button and auto dismiss.